Everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication with Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your email account by requiring an additional verification step during sign-in. So let's get started. First, open the security settings for your email provider and look for the two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication option. The exact location can vary depending on the email service you use. Enable two-factor authentication and follow the setup instructions. You may be asked to use an authenticator app, a security key, or another verification method. Once two-factor authentication is active, open Mozilla Thunderbird and try to connect your email account. Depending on your provider, you may need to complete a web-based sign-in or use an app-specific password. If your email provider requires an app password, create one from the account security settings and enter it in Thunderbird instead of your regular account password. Complete the sign-in process and allow Thunderbird to connect to your email account. If everything is configured correctly, your messages should continue syncing normally. Remember to keep your backup codes or alternative verification method stored safely in case you lose access to your primary authentication device. And that's how to enable two-factor authentication for a Mozilla Thunderbird email setup. The exact steps depend on your email provider, but adding an extra security layer can help protect your account. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.